Hello my awesome viewers, it's Uday from Uday's Kitchen here to give you the most delicious recipes. Today I'm back with an interesting recipe, and that is an avocado sardine salad recipe. For that we have some lettuce, some avocado, some bell peppers, you can use different colors, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, okay, the sardine, and optional we have some canned beef. This is some fried canned beef that we're going to add to our salad. For our salad dressing, this is a homemade salad dressing. This is one large onion, and over here we have some vinegar, so I add in some vinegar, add in some seasoning. You can use salt if you like, and then this is some black pepper. Mix it all together and let it sit in this marinade until the onions are dead. Into my mixing bowl I have my sardine and some onion from the salad dressing. Onto that I'm going to add my avocados. So added to this, I put in my candy. Pour in a little bit of the vinegar juice. Onto that, I add in my salad dressing or mayo. Mix it all together. And we also have optional some French fries to go with our salad. The remaining homemade salad dressing is going to be used to season the lettuce and the remaining vegetables. In a separate bowl I add in all the vegetables and the remaining salad dressing. I added some olive oil. Just take some and pour it onto my salad. Mix it all together. There you have it. That's our salad. Bon appetit. Thank you all for your everlasting support. Please do like, share, and subscribe if you're new to my channel to not miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Until we meet next time, bye bye.